Okay, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to catch all routes. So let's get started. Now, what do I mean by catch all routes? Let me just show you that we have a blog, right? And in our blog, we might have a URL, okay? That would be like the date of the post or the name of the post and the date of the post or other things that would be attached to that. So this URL could be like really long, right? Like something that keeps on going and going and going, right? So let's, for example, take this right now. Okay, we have the blog, and inside of it we could have other things that would point to our posts. So if I want to get everything in front of this, right, what I can do is I have created blog. Okay, inside of it I have created a catch-all folder. Okay, and I've called this slug, but I've added 3 dots. Okay, and what this is telling Next.js is that this folder right here is a catch-all route. Okay, and inside of this slug I have just a page.js. Okay, and this is that page.js. So to do this, it's pretty simple. Just do params, okay, and then I'm gonna do const, and I'm gonna destructure this. Slug is the name of the folder, and then I'm just gonna do params, and here, just to show you in a neat and clean form, I'm gonna do join, and I'm gonna add a slash to each of this. Okay, so I'm gonna save this for now, and this is a JavaScript function, by the way, that you don't have to do this. It's just to cleanly show you what we get on the page. Okay, so now you can see we are in the blog folder, and everything in front of it using a catch-all route, we are getting all of that. Like, for example, if I added here slash my app, okay, something like that, and as you can see I can get my app as well, and anything you add in front of this, everything will be available to you to get. Okay, and if I want to get something separately, right, so I can just do slug, just do one, save this one. Okay, because when you get this, right, everything in front of this that is separated by a slash is basically put into an array, and I can access that array by putting the name of this catch-all folder, okay, which is slug, and then do one, or for example, let's say 2. So this goes from 0, 1, 2, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to say 2, and I'm going to get my app. See, I got my app. Okay, and the same goes for 0, 1, and then 2. Okay, and so on and so forth. So this is how you get all of the routes using a catch-all route. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe, because I'm going to be making more tutorials on Next.js, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.